I think the most or the biggest difference is the board just want to see it on a high level and want to see, okay, our service level is good or not that good as we expected, or our cross sales is above our expectations. And for the operational view, you need to go more into the detail and find out the reasons why is this KPI performing like that, and what is the reason behind the KPI, to explain it to other guys. And that's the most important difference, I think. Currently, our main challenge is, maybe I start with this question, how to bring into one report lots of KPIs. So we have the target to build one dashboard where we present all of our main group KPIs, I would say. And we faced the challenge, okay, how to build it in a way that it's easy to understand, but without losing information. And that was the time when the cards were initially, or when you initially told us, okay, we are planning to do something like a card, and we said, hey, cool, that would be perfect. And for us, it's really an enabler to create a report where we have such an overview about all the KPIs, but also have the possibility to go into the detail for each KPI and look at it by month or by things like category or things like that. So that's really great, and that's changed the way how we look into our own company by data. I think the biggest change for us will be that we can find out how our KPIs connected, where what you probably don't expect. So you can see KPI A is rising and KPI is going, B is going down then, and then you see, okay, there is a connection between it, maybe not on the first side, but on the second side. And then you can say, okay, I have to adjust something with KPI A, then KPI B is performing better. And that's the most thing we are expecting from using cards. So the one thing is that we have the IBCS standard and that everything is build it up within the card, and so we don't have to do anything with colors or make it in a wrong way, for example. And the other thing is to add comments to the KPI, so we have the possibility not to just display a number and how it has performed. So also we can explain what's the reason behind this change in the KPI and to make it more explainable to others.